So over the past few months, I've been transforming my dining room into an indoor garden. First up, I wanted to try these mobile vertical gardens, and I wanted to use them so I could use earth and seeds and grow lights and try to grow them just naturally as if it was outside. So these comes with little cups, and if you put too much water in your plant, it'll just catch all the extra water and you can throw it out in the sink. So far, it hasn't happened to me. So it comes with four wheels, so the whole cart can be moved outside in the summer or around in your house if you want to move it closer to a window. It comes with these couplers and it's super easy. You just clip the two together with the little arrow up, and then the shelves all fit into the unit. So I built two of these and it only took me about I think an hour, and all you need is the little wrench they give you to tighten the wheels. That's about it. It's super simple to do. It's much easier than IKEA furniture. So I thought it was a nice mechanism, and it's under $100. So that was a cheap solution for indoor gardening. And then once I had it all put together, I made a little plan with what I wanted to do with it. And I took out my old grow lights that I got on Amazon. And these have a timer for 3, 6, or 12 hours. And you can dim the light whatever you want. It comes with a clip, so it's easy to add on. So that's what it looked like a few weeks ago. And then I have my Click and Grow garden. That's super easy to maintain. And I'll keep you updated. There's good stuff coming.